Hi, welcome to Car Maintenance Anyone Can Do. My name is Barry Bertolini. Let me tell you a little bit about myself, and then I'm going to explain a little bit about the course. So I grew up in Detroit. My dad was a mechanic for many years, and I was always interested, so he taught me all sorts of things about taking care of cars, fixing cars, rebuilding engines, etc. Did that on my own cars and friends' cars for years. And then later in life decided, you know what, I want to do this as a living. So I went to a automotive technical school called Motec. It was originally started by Chrysler Corporation and managed by them for years. Later, when they did some downsizing, they sold that to another corporation, and it continued on its own. Very, very good school. Learned a lot. Learned a lot of finer points on things I was also doing, and tips from mechanics who had been doing it professionally for years. And I learned about all the new things going on in the automotive industry with computers and sensors and all the different electronics that we have now in cars that we didn't have when I first got started. I worked in dealerships. I worked in privately owned companies, local shops. I've worked on just about every car out there. Well, let me take that, not every car, but all the American cars, Japanese cars, German cars, everything from Toyotas to Porsches, and from Chevys to Ferraris. The videos, I've tried to mix it up. Some of the videos will be live while I'm doing it and explaining. Some of the videos are narrated over due to several facts. One, I live near two airports, and there's constantly, some days, planes going overhead, and it seems like every time I would start taping, I had nothing but planes. So a few of those, because I couldn't get the noise out, I've narrated. I've created the course, at least I've tried to, not expecting you to know anything about cars other than where to put the key in and start the car. So if you have some experience, bear with me in a few of the episodes. If you already know some things in those lessons, good. It'll just reinforce. But this course is made for a complete novice, somebody who doesn't know anything. And so I didn't want to assume that you had this basic knowledge. All right? So let's get started on how to maintain your car.